Problems of freshwater pollution in relation to fisheries with special reference to Rajasthan. Part 2. Synopsis. Studies on pollution made in different river systems of Rajasthan. That is, number 1, Chambal river basins. Number 2, Luni river basins. Number 3, Banas river basin. Number 4, Banganga river basin. Number 5, Shabadi river basin. Studies on pollution made in different river systems of India. Number 1, Ganga river system. Number 2, Mahanadi river system. Number 3, Krishna river system. Studies on pollution made in different river systems of Rajasthan. Number 1, Chambal river basins. The cooling water of Kota barrage, sewage, that is garbage and polluted water and solid waste, textile printing waste, fly ash chemicals contributed by thermal power plants largely pollute Chambal river at Kota. The high load of untreated biodegradable materials, that is domestic sewage, leads several gradients in saprobic and eutrophic conditions. Thousands of fishes were found dead in the Chambal in Kota district, apparently due to low oxygen in the river water caused by stinking waste and garbage in it. Dominance of chironomus larvae population in Kota barrage dam is also described by Sarang and Sharman 2014. The abundance of chironomus in the benthic population is due to impact of altered nature of substrate due to organic pollution. Second, Luni river basin. Textile waste, dyeing and printing waste pollute Luni river and its tributary Bandi at Balotra, Pali, and industrial waste Jojari tributary at Luni tributary of Luni at Jodhpur. Banas river basin. Slurry by the marble industry, extensive sand mining, printing waste, metallurgical industries and sewage pollute the Banas river at Udaipur, Chittorgarh and Bhilwara. Textile dyes chemicals pollute the Banas river, that is Kothari river at Bhilwara. Banganga river basin. Casualty to encroachments and sand mining, distilleries, printing waste pollute the Banganga river, that is Sanwan tributary at Alwar and Jaipur. Shabadi river basin. Industrial waste and agricultural waste pollute this river. Studies on pollution made in different river systems of India. Ganga river system. Tanneries, textiles, wool and jute mill waste largely pollute the Ganga at Kanpur. Effluents from sugar mills, distilleries, pulp and paper factories, synthetic rubber industry, washeries and DOT factories cause pollution in some of the streams of Ganga river system. Recently, discharges from Baroni oil refinery caused gross pollution of a long stretch of the main Ganga. River Yamuna at Delhi. DDT factory waste brought to the river Yamuna through Najafgarh Nala was tested for toxicity to fish by George et al. 1965 by means of bioassay experiments. It has been shown that the high concentration of DDT and chloral hydrate are the principal toxic constituents. The effect of these toxicants on fish life is mainly by the process of coagulation of the mucus in gills and opercular chamber of the fishes under moderately acidic pH. Neutralization and neutralization dilution are the short-term remedies. River Ganga at Kanpur, UP. At Kanpur, 45 tanneries and 10 textile mills are the major sources of liquid waste discharged in the river Ganga. The wastes contain a heavy organic load of putrescible material. According to Ray and David 1966, in spite of considerable organic load, only slight pollution occurs mainly on account of partial or total deoxygenation of the water. Plankton production is increased, so the fishes like Katla Katla, Labio rohita, Sirena migla, Labio kalbasu, Labio bata, Mr. Or, Mr. Singla, Valego Attu, Silonia, and Bagares are abundantly caught in this area around the year. River Kali near Aligarh, UP. Qasim and Siddiqui 1960 made preliminary observations on the pollution of River Kali, which were subsequently followed by George et al. 1966 in their limnological survey of the river with reference to fishery mortality. With reference to fish mortality, the river receives waste from many factories collective through Kadrabad drain. The main factories, the effluents of which pollute the stream, are sugar distillery, tin, glycerin, paints, soap works. An incident of large-scale fish mortalities in 160-kilometer zone resulting in loss of 300 quintals of fish were observed. In this incident, none of the air-breathing fishes like channa, clarias, notopterus, and Heteropneustis were affected. The mortality of fishes were attributed to depletion of oxygen over a stretch of 72 km. In heavy polluted zone, zooplanktonic organisms described considerably. River Gomti at Lucknow. A limnological survey was carried out by Bhaskaran et al. 1965 in a 21-kilometer stretch of River Gomti in the vicinity of Lucknow, receiving waste from pulp and paper factory, distillery and sewage. Their findings show that despite self-purification, the pollutional effects pollution effect is still persistent. River Dhana at Siwan, Bihar. The putrescible organic waste from a sugar factory and distillery plant cause year-round pollution of the small river Dana except during the rainy season. David and Reed 1966. Investigations in the infected 31-kilometer stretch of the stream showed that distillery waste of low pH and high oxygen demand create a chain of reduction and oxidation processes involving iron compounds. Intake of iron salts affect the gill causing asphyxiation, that is the fault occurring in the lungs to fish. Low dissolved oxygen, high carbon dioxide also cause fish mortality. River Damodar at Sindri, Bihar. This river flows through the Cobalt Belt area in Bihar, is also a serious problem area. The river experiences pollution due to waste released from a large number of industries such as Sindri Unit of Fertilizer Corporation of India, the Bihar's government superphosphate factory and the associated cement company. The waste of the fertilizer corporation contains alkalis, chromates, ammonia, cyanide, phenols, naphthalene, etc. Several coal washeries located between Bokaro and Sindri discharge finally suspended coal particles, and Bokaro thermal power plant releases fly ash into the river. Several incidences of large-scale fish mortality have been reported during the dry months by the discharges from coal washeries like Karkali, Dugda, Jamodoba, Fojidi and Parthni. River Hooghly at Kolkata, West Bengal. The stretch of 90 km between Tribeni and Bhatnagar near Kolkata is highly industrialized with various types of factories dealing with pulp and paper, distillery, tannery, textile, that is cotton and rayon, heavy chemicals, paints and washeries, varnishes, shelly, hydrogenated oil, matches, cycle rim, petroleum oil, tar, pigment, insecticides and fungicides and other miscellaneous products flanking on both sides of the river Hooghly. Seth and Bhaskar in 1950, while studying the industrial waste disposal and the sanitary conditions in Hooghly, observed the pollutional zone to extend 15 meters below the point where the Tilagad paper mill wastes are discharged. There are evidences to show that the spawning grounds, fish eggs and larvae and the fish food organisms are destroyed by the by these pollutants. The Mahanadi river system, river IB at Brea Rayanagar, Odisha. The indiscriminate discharge of large volumes of highly potential liquid waste of the Orient paper mill creates a serious pollution problem in the river IB at Baria, Rayanagar, particularly during their summer season, when the entire water from IB river is drawn for factory. No water is left for dilution purposes. This results in complete deoxygenation of the water for at least 3 kilometers downstream. Low oxygen conditions are reported in the riverine fisheries for about 24 kilometers downstream. The Krishna River system, River Bhadra at Bhadravati, Mysore. Pollution in River Bhadra, which was studied by David 1956, is quite similar to that River Son at Dehri on Son in Bihar. The river Bhadra receives waste from pulp and paper and steel industries. In absence of adequate dilution, the pollution has assumed serious proportions. The author reports that chlorine and sulfide adversely affect fish life to a great extent, and as a result, only 18 out of 36 commercially important fishes of Bhadra river were recorded in the affected zone. A few adult and young fishes recorded in summer months, that is April and May, in the affected stretch of 32 km showed pathogenic conditions, and the fish muscles emitted odor. Breeding migration of the fish was also affected adversely during the pre-monsoon months. Other rivers of peninsular India, river Godavari at Rajamundry, Andhra Pradesh. Certain hydrobiological studies of river Godavari in relation to pollution caused by effluents of Andhra Pradesh mill, Andhra paper mill at Rajamundry was made by Ganapati and Chacko 1951. The high content of potential organic matter, which reduced the oxygen level of the water, and the fogs of aluminum hydroxide, which covered both the surface and the bottom of the river, were sources of pollution. Fishery in the area has considerably distributed, and only a few small sized species of fish were reported to be present. Plankton and bottom fauna were poor. River Kaveri at Metter Dam, Tamil Nadu. The effect of industrial waste discharged from the Metter Chemical and Industrial Corporation Limited, Metter Dam, Tamil Nadu, on the fisheries of River Kaveri was investigated by Ganapati and Alikuni 1950. It was reported that dissolved and insoluble solids, chlorides and free chlorine associated with highly alkaline effluents caused by caustic lime used for manufacture of bleaching powder are the sources of pollution which kill thousands of carps and catfishes. River Com at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This river gets polluted by washings from a large number of cattle yards, overflow from sewage pumping station, waste from automobile workshops and many factories. Abram 1962, while conducting a survey for observations on hydrobiology and fisheries of this river, observed that as a result of heavy pollution, upper zone of the river has become devoid of fish life, since waste received by the river exceeds its load bearing capacity on account of negligible dilution. Septic condition in the water always persist. River Cheliar at Calicut, Kerala. Effluents from then Gwalior Rayon factory at Mevur, about 21 km from Bepur, have created a pollutional hazard in this river. The pollution problem is acute, particularly during the summer season when little dilution is affected. A large-scale fish mortality was reported by Venkataraman et al. 1966, which was attributed to highly potential organic matter creating almost anaerobic conditions in the river with a very low or nil oxygen. River Kalu in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The extensive industrial complex around Mumbai discharge their highly acidic untreated waste into the canal leading to this river. The pH of this river goes as low as 1.2 to 2.4, resulting in the formation of an acidic barrier in the river, where the Indian shad, Hilsa once profile has stopped ascending. This discharge of the domestic waste greatly aggravates pollution problem. The rapidly increasing pesticides in the agriculture poses serious problem both to public health and fisheries. Thanks.